Shalom warriors, and welcome to the Daily Warfare Drop with Raphael, Rabbi. Today's theme is fighting fear without losing faith. And scriptures are coming to you from Psalms 6, 9 to 10, 14, 16, and 21. Warriors, today's readings pull us straight into the inner battlefield. These Psalms are not written from comfort. They are written from pressure, fear, injustice, and waiting. This is honest warfare prayer. Psalm 6 opens with David, overwhelmed, physically tired, emotionally worn, spiritually stretched. He is not pretending strength. Warriors, this matters. Real faith does not deny weakness. It brings weakness before God. In combat medicine, I learned quickly that ignoring injury doesn't make you stronger. It makes collapse more likely. Spiritually, unspoken pain becomes hidden vulnerability. This is often where quiet coping habits and addictions form. Turning to alcohol, drugs, pornography, masturbation, gambling, or other secret escapes instead of bringing fear to God. Psalm 9 and 10 deal with injustice. David looks at violence, arrogance, and the suffering of the innocent. Warriors, this feels current today. We live in a world where headlines change daily. Wars, exploitation, instability, rising anxiety. When fear lingers, many begin to self-medicate emotionally or physically. What starts as relief slowly becomes spiritual bondage. But David anchors himself in truth. God sees, God remembers, and God will act. Warfare is trusting God's justice instead of numbing pain with substitutes that quietly still authority. Psalm 14 confronts deception. The fool says in his heart, there is no God. Warriors, this is not about intelligence. It's about function. Living as if God is irrelevant. This generation is saturated with information, stimulation, and access, yet starved of peace. When reverence fades, private sin grows. The enemy doesn't always push rebellion. He offers distraction, pleasure, and secrecy until dependency forms. In Psalm 16, shifts the battle. David declares, "You are my Lord. Apart from you, I have no good thing." Warriors, this is repentance language. It is turning away from false comforts and back to God as the source. Repentance is not punishment, it is rescue. It breaks agreement with habits that promise relief but delivered chains. Psalm 21 ends with victory. Not self-made, but God-given. The king rejoices not in strength, but in the Lord's salvation. Warriors, victory that ignores holiness prepares the next fall. Freedom must be guarded. Here is today's warfare truth. Fear is fought through honest prayer, clear repentance, and daily dependence on God. Alcohol, drugs, pornography, masturbation, and secret sin lose power when exposed to God's light. If fear has been driving you toward hidden habits and addictions, return to the Lord today. He restores what fear has eroded. Stand firm. The Lord is your refuge. We shall meet on the battlefield tomorrow. Shalom.